With Deer Creek Audio, it's all about the experience. It's recreating the feeling and texture of a live performance. It's about finding the depth, layering, and imaging of sound that comes from being in the same space with the musicians. It's reliving the memory of your favorite music and feeling as if you are experiencing it for the first time. Welcome to Deer Creek Audio, specializing in quality products and expert consulting designed to enhance your listening experience. Our goal is to help you build high-definition stereo and home theater systems with the latest digital signal processing technology. Deer Creek Audio's product line includes the highest quality miniDSP and Dirac live digital signal processors. EQ901 series upgrade equalizers, and Hypex Class D amplifiers. Deer Creek Audio provides clients with personalized support and attention. From startup assistance to fine-tuning your system, our team is focused on creating the best listening experience possible. By combining industry expertise with product knowledge and high standards of business conduct, we are focused on meeting the unique needs of our clients. Deer Creek Audio, bringing the live sound experience to you. For more information, call us today at 720-726-9272 and visit our website at deercreekaudio.com.